Welcome to Straight Out of Osaka. I'm Yumi, not Yami. Today, I'll show you how to make shio karaage. By simply soaking the chicken in salted water and it becomes incredibly juicy. It will completely transform your usual karaage. Alright, let's get started. You only need chicken, water, salt, and potato starch. I like chicken with the skin on, so I use chicken cutlet. First, I remove the bone and any excess skin. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Put 500 ml of water in a bowl. Add 15 grams of salt, which is about 3% of the water, and stir until fully dissolved. Add the chicken pieces to the salt water and let it soak. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and chill in the fridge for 30 minutes to 1 hour. After that, drain the water and let the chicken drain well. Coat the chicken with potato starch. You can use plain flour, but I prefer making it with potato starch. Keep the skin on the outside for extra crispy coating. Add about 1 cm of oil to the pot. Heat it over medium-high heat. When you dip in a wooden chopstick and small bubbles appear, it's ready. Fry skin side down first. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Then flip and fry for another 3 to 4 minutes. Flip occasionally while frying. They look golden and the sizzling sound is perfect, so I'm taking them out. And fry the rest in the same way. Let's cut one open and see. Look at that, so juicy inside. Let me have a taste. Just soaking the chicken in salt water makes it so juicy, and since there's no soy sauce, it won't burn. It's super easy to make and so yummy. This will take your karaage to the next level.
Itadakimasu.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video. Bye! ほなまたね!